over PB, bedridden. Now I'm laughing while head is giving. No fucks are given ever, cause I'm riding to the core. Right into the door. Cross the street when you see us by the store. I'm off the leash, dick hanging.
You're a racist. What? You don't like me because you think that...
Hey, you don't see me driving here?
Breaking news.
A gang shootout in Puerto del Sol recent months, with rival traffickers including Mexican gang Varios Los Aztecas and El Salvadoran gang the Marabunta Grande clashing over supply.
The hype is at a fever pitch as social networking fanatics prove once again.
You don't belong here!
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch!
Fucking homo, you're dead! Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
You tried to knife attack me? No one creeps on the J-Dog, my niggas! I don't care if you're 12, I'll still rape you! LOL, you suck fat man's dick!
I still love him, though. Sort of.
Loosen up those hips.
Okay, like this?
Yeah, loosen them up. There you go.
Oh, okay. I think I'm getting it.
Ooh, okay, Amanda. All right, now just follow through. God, you've got great hips. You know that? Follow through.
Yeah, I could get used to this. Oh.
Excellent. Yes. Now slide your hips slow. You're sitting to right here. Look right here.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Now look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
A credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked the fuck... Hey, man, it's Jess up here.
Okay, stop the car. Pull up. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window. And fast. Or I'll put 2 rounds in the back of your skull and do it myself.
Man, you can't be for real.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
Let's go!
Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
Mr. Samuel, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! I won't be treated like this!
You think you can... I spit on punks like you!
You're fucking...
Bottom feeder! You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work before it's worth $5 grand a month.
I agreed to financing. I have his signature.
Yeah? Did he agree to have some punk break into my fucking house?
I don't know.
That kid might be a fucking idiot, but you are a fraud.